an association between habitual yogurt consumption and a reduction in weight gain as people age, as well as better blood pressure parameters. A limitation of epidemiology is that it just shows that there's an association. So one of the aspects of the Yogurt Initiative would like to do further research so we can understand exactly cause and effect. What aspect of yogurt is doing this? Is it yogurt itself, or is it other healthy lifestyle behaviors that have also been associated with yogurt consumers?
The Yogurt in Nutrition Initiative for a Balanced Diet is a collaboration between the American Society for Nutrition, the UK Nutrition Society and the Danone Institute. It's an opportunity to hear science from the first global summit that was held at the Experimental Biology 2013 meeting in Boston.
In the Framingham study, we looked at over 3,000 individuals and followed them for over 12 years. And we were able to see that overall dairy products did reduce weight gain in that cohort by over 50% over that time period. We also saw that it also reduced the rate of gain in waist circumference by about 15% over that same time period.
The summit highlighted the other health benefits of dairy products and milk that was designed by nature to provide complete nutrition for humans.
Those populations that can afford to consume sufficient of those products will, by definition, get a very high nutrient density in their diet. And that's, you know, the proof of that is shown in the development of first world nations, where people grow exceptionally well and can reach their full genetic potential in all aspects of their life, growth, cognitive development, and so forth.
Bone health in children and the elderly is, of course, a key issue for recommendations on dairy product intake.
There are several recommendations which are relatively different from one scientific society to the other, but altogether we can say that we need at least 1 gram of calcium element per day, and the best would be to take it within the meals. And in terms of proteins, the recommended daily allowance are officially 0.8 gram per kilogram of body weight.
But the summit heard that lactose intolerance could be one reason why most people don't get anywhere near the target of 3 servings of dairy products a day.
About 3/4 of the world's population lose much of the ability to digest lactose after they're weaned, somewhere between the ages of 3 and 5, probably.
But Dennis Savaiano reckons yogurt could be a solution for these glucose-intolerant patients.
Yogurt bacteria contain a high level of the lactase enzyme, and this enzyme actually acts in the intestine to help digest the lactose. So eating yogurt is like taking a digestive enzyme supplement along with your milk, but it's a natural approach to doing that.
Cost-effectiveness is another reason why interest in yogurt has increased among nutritionists, even if assessing cost could be challenging.
But what we know from the literature says almost uniformly across all the common diseases where a member of society has more dairy, they have less disease. I cannot envision how that's not cost-effective.
So the final conclusion of the summit is pretty clear.
If people can consume dairy products, particularly keeping the low-fat options, which are widely available now, then they are a fantastic source of other nutrients. Their nutrient density is such that they make a great addition to the diet. And, you know, that's a very clear message. So where there are problems with the nutrient density of the diet decreasing because we're eating too many junk foods, then dairy produce clearly have a very strong role.